In this video, we're talking about how to actually make money online. Not just create the illusion of a business, not just spend lots of money, but not actually make money. So let's talk about actually putting money in our bank accounts today. If you're like me, you've probably tried what feels like 100 different ways to make money online, from courses to e-commerce to coaching to high ticket, whatever high ticket means. You've tried passive income and active income and trading income. Well, first off, the hard truth is most of the teachers and gurus out there that are talking about building money online haven't actually made money online, or they haven't made enough to cover their bills. My dad used to joke around and say, those who can't do, teach. And in this case, that's totally true. So in this video, we're going to blow all of that BS out of the water, and I'm going to show you how to actually make money online. First off, I'm going to show you the biggest mistake my clients keep making when they come to me, when they're trying to either make money online or, most importantly, make more money online. I cannot believe they actually took seriously the advice from some of these gurus, and I hope you're not taking that advice as well. Then I'll show you the fastest way to make money online that's actually stupidly simple. And finally, I'm going to expose a lie that you probably think is still true. I know. I believed it for years myself. And it cost me thousands and thousands of dollars. So today, I'm going to bust that myth and show you exactly what you need to know in order to actually make money online. So let's dive into it. The biggest mistake that I see my clients making before they come to me when they're trying to make money online or they're trying to make more money online is that they develop their products in complete and total isolation. And I know from spending a year in almost total isolation, I realized that I wasn't thriving. So how could I expect my products to be thriving if we were developing them totally in isolation, totally in this secret vault behind the stairs, right? If people don't know about it, if our communities don't know about us developing this solution, they have no way to help us develop it. They have no way to give us feedback along the way and help us create a product and a solution that's actually going to be able to reach the market and create a great lasting impact of success and income. So make sure that you're not following that mistake as well. Build your products with the communication with your people. Build them with a dialogue wrapped around them. Ask for input along the way from your community. And while you're doing this, look for holes in the market and opportunities for you to create those solutions. Listen to your people, listen to what they have to say. What problems are they coming up against? And how can you create solutions for them? Once we understand that we're creating solutions within the ecosystem of our market, as opposed to creating these golden one-off magical gems that are in some vault behind the stairs that nobody sees in some superhero layer, right? Those solutions are only maybe going to work with one person. They're not going to be solutions that are going to work for the masses, that are going to work on a larger market scale, because they haven't been developed with the market in mind. They have been developed with the ego of the creator in mind, rather than the sense of community that comes from a legacy building product. I'm curious. As per usual, I want to know if you have ever launched a product in isolation before. Did it work? Was it a grand success, or did it flop? There are no judgments here in the visibility hacking world. We just want to know. We want the facts. So let us know in the comments below. If you've launched a product in isolation, if you've built a product with your community in mind, how did they work? How was it? What are your goals for your next launch? So let us know in the comments below. When we're creating products that are actually going to last, that are going to help us build that legacy, we have to understand that we are actually creating solutions. We're not creating these diamonds in the rough. We're not creating these mythical creatures. We're not creating something that's going to sit under a cloche, a little glass jar on the shelf because they're pretty and they're delicate and nobody wants to play with them. Instead, we're creating solutions that are actually helping our people achieve a result. That is what people are going to pay for. So if you want to actually make money online, the quickest way to do that is to listen to your market. Understand who your people are on a really general sense. Go out there and start interacting with them. Start listening to them. Start understanding where they are getting hung up. What problems are they encountering, and create a solution for them. A dear friend of mine has created an incredibly successful business listening to his customers. He recognized that his customers had really incredibly expensive assets that needed to be taken care of. And while everyone was approaching these business owners to try and get these large market capital, big deal, joint venture, blah, blah, blahs, my friend instead approached them to say, hey, let me take care of that expensive asset for you. Let me take care of that so that you can stop worrying about it. You can stop thinking about it. I'll take care of all of that so you can focus your attention on all the other people who are trying to make money with you. Let me make your life easier, was my friend's approach. And it totally worked. He is now able to charge whatever he feels like charging. He pretty much prints money with his business because he understands his customer's pain point so well. He's able to anticipate the customer's needs long before they even arrive for him to do the work. He knows his customers so well because he listens to their pain points and creates solutions for them. So rather than trying to create the next most beautiful diamond, that trinket that no one's going to play with, first, if you want to actually start making money first, you need to start creating solutions. So go out there, listen to your people, create solutions that will help make their lives easier. Talking about making your life easier, if you're interested in learning more about authority, influence, and income building online, I definitely recommend you hit the subscribe button and join us, become a visibility hacker, and follow along on the journey. Every week, I'm releasing brand new videos that cover everything about building that authority, becoming more influential, and ultimately making more money, building a legacy, and changing the world with our wild ideas. Come along for the journey. All you have to do, press that subscribe button, ring that bell, press that like button, all that fun YouTube stuff. I want to see you along for the journey. All right, we got to talk the hard talk. Someone has probably told you before that when it comes to making money, you need to charge high ticket for, I never really understood this. It's like you have to charge high ticket prices. So let's say we charge $5,000 for a product, but the product ultimate base cost has to be as low as possible because that space in between what it actually costs to produce and the money we're making has to be really, really high. That space needs to be really high. That's how you make money online. The reality is that may be a great way to make a little quick cash, but it's not going to build that lasting legacy. Instead, you have to take on the mentality that it takes money to make money. What I recommend you do is create a product not based on the price, but instead based on the outcome. So if you're saying that this is the result that I can get you, I understand what your pain point is. You need help doing X, and I can help you achieve that. These are the steps we need to take. Calculate the cost that it actually takes you to get to that stage. What is the actual cost? Then create your markup for it. That is how you should start pricing your products. Look first for the actual outcome that you want to create. Then understand the price and the value behind it. There's a difference. Price is the actual number and the money exchanged. $5. Starbucks, $5, $5. Perfect. Value, on the other hand, is much more rich, much more of an art. If you think of it as money or income or price as being the science behind it, there's math. You don't change it. $1 is $1, right? That doesn't change. But value, on the other hand, is a bit more of an art. There's a bit more finessing around it. There's a bit more work that goes into understanding how value is calculated. That's how you should start to price your packages. Don't think of it as creating this gap, the lowest cost to produce, and then just rack up the price. It doesn't work that way. Love your people, create solutions for them. And if you want to create more solutions to help you increase your visibility online, to build more influence, to build more authority, and ultimately have more money in the bank with your products, services, coaching programs, etc., then I definitely recommend you join us for the Visibility Hacking Secrets training. The links are down in the description box below. I have put together all of the biggest, most impactful visibility hacking strategies and put them together in an easy to follow program just for you. It's absolutely free. You just have to click the link in the description. So join us. I can't wait to see what you do with it.